In 2021, if you don't have RGB light on the background, you're not a YouTuber. Jokes aside, RGB lights are very important for photography and filming. RGB tube lights have become very popular, so today we're gonna have a look at the Vectorgear RGB tube light BL240. Is this RGB tube light any good? Welcome to the review of the Vectorgear RGB tube light BL240. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome. If you're new to my channel, I'll do a lot of tech reviews and unboxings like this one today. If it's something that interests you, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing at the end of the video. One last thing, share this video all around. That will help the channel. With this said, let's start the review of the Vectorgear RGB tube light BL240. RGB lights are a norm these days. Photographers and videographers use them. I have reviewed a few RGB lights on the past, here on the channel, and all of them have one thing in common: they are rectangular. I haven't reviewed the tube light until now. I have the Vectorgear RGB tube light BL240 here, was sent for review by Vectorgear. Let's review it. Starting with one important factor, the price. On Amazon UK, the price tag is £109, and if you go on the Vectorgear website, you can get it for $99. Like always, I will leave links on the video description, please check them out for best price. The RGB tube light is 352mm long and is 46mm wide, and weighs 465 grams. On the box is the light itself, a hard case for maximum protection, a good quality USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. The body of the light is made of a combination of metal and hard plastic and looks very good quality. On each side of the light you have a 1/4-inch screw, so you can attach it to a stand, for example. On each end is also 3 magnets, so you can easily put your light on the metal surface and leave it there. They are quite strong. On one end of the light you have the charging USB-C port to charge the large capacity battery of 7800 mAh, and this light can be used when on charge. That's a good thing. This light can be used in temperatures between -15 to +45 degrees. Moving up, you have a 4-button keyboard, and on top of it, a OLED screen. The screen is nice and bright, and it can be seen outside without any problems. On the screen, you can see the battery left, the mode, and you can control the intensity of the light from 100% to 1%. Let's talk about the modes now. Intensity mode goes from 2600 to 6000 kelvins, with a CRI of 96 and a TLC of 97. The angle of the light is 120 degrees. Changing the mode to HSL, adjustable color mode, you can change the hue and the saturation. Pressing mode again will take you to the effect mode, where you can change between 9 presets and the intensity of each one. You can choose between lightning, rainbow, fire engine, flash, fast rainbow, ambulance, screen, police cars, and fireplace. My favorite is the police car. You can also turn the light off, but leave the OLED screen on, dimming the light to 0%. When using this type of lights, you can attach different types of light modifiers. Vectorgear also sent me a fabric grid, so you can have more control over the light. You can narrow the light without increasing contrast, for example. Let's see some examples of the light next. I'll be comparing the tube light with a normal rectangular RGB light, and I'll be using the tube light with and without the fabric grid. tube light is cool. It have quite a strong magnets. The light didn't get hot at all, just a bit warm. It comes with a hard case for great protection and has a great price. Hit the thumbs up if you found this video informative and subscribe if you haven't subscribed for future videos like these. If you have any questions, comments, please feel free to leave it below in the comment section. Stay safe and I'll see you in my next review.